We are in Callington to see this 2-bedroom house that's located just on this road. There is parking for one vehicle, which is just to our left here. Property is approached down this driveway just here. There is no parking with the property along this drive. So we're here to see this lovely cottage, which is due to be painted very soon. So you have a front area, and I'll take you inside. So it's a really convenient location. You can walk to many different facilities from here. So firstly on our right is the outside lovely courtyard. So again, lots of painting due to be done externally, but look at the space you get here. So really great size for a bit of summer dining. It's also an outside tap. Now as we go back through, there is new carpets throughout, and the house has also been decorated. So this is the first of the bedrooms, 2 really good sized double bedrooms, and amazingly it leads through into the bathroom. So you've got a really lovely bathroom here. It's a bit of understairs storage just around here, and obviously shower over the bath. So this door leads into the bedroom, or it can take you back into the hallway. This is master bedroom, so there's a fitted wardrobe just there. Looks out to outside, and there is also an ensuite just here. So it's got a shower in there. So I'll take you upstairs. So you've got an alternative layout here where the bedrooms are downstairs because of this lovely room. Look at how open plan it is. So fantastic size lounge here. And then kitchen has fitted appliances. So it has dishwasher, washing machine, fridge freezer, oven, gas hob and extractor. So no appliances needed, which is great. It's gas central heating. And finally, we have this lovely balcony. It is a really great size. So 2 areas of outside and just a really fantastic view. If you're interested, feel free to get in contact.